In this demo, we'll show you how to use your PodConnect service within Microsoft Teams to initiate a call as well as generate a PodConnect meeting. To begin, open Microsoft Teams. This demo assumes your administrator has downloaded and configured the PodFusion application for your business. Initiate a new conversation in Teams or start from an existing conversation. Here I'm showing two colleagues setting up their weekly sync-up call. Once the conversation box is established, you'll see the PodFusion icon located directly below your text. Clicking on the pod icon presents you with two options: create a meeting and make a call. First, let's walk through creating a meeting. Select Create Meeting from the options shown when clicking on the PodFusion icon. You'll be asked to name the meeting. This will help in the future while searching for specific meetings by topic. Once the meeting has been named, click Create Meeting. A meeting card is published in the conversation for all channel participants to see. The meeting card contains the title, meeting ID, as well as the link to launch the meeting when the user is ready. Selecting Join Meeting launches PodMeeting. From that point forward, the user is presented with the same user interface they are used to as a current PodConnect user. Now let's walk through how to initiate a call from Teams. From the PodFusion icon below the conversation text window, select Make a Call. When Make a Call is selected, you'll notice the contact is populated automatically with the details of the person with whom you are currently chatting. Select either of the drop-down boxes in this window to change the party you are calling or the contact's number you're using. When ready, click the Make a Call button. Once you initiate a call, you'll immediately receive a call from the pod-hosted Teams bot server. Once you accept this call, the calling party will then be dialed. Once connected, you'll have the same call control features you're used to with your current PodConnect service.